Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to see hidden WhatsApp status. Pretty much simple, just follow me closely. Now first I'm going to show you where exactly you can find WhatsApp status, and the next thing is where you can find the hidden ones. Now I'm going to go back to the home screen. This is my home screen. And then from this home screen, going to see chart status and calls. Now go ahead, click on status, and once you click on status, you're gonna see all the status updates of people in your contact list. This is pretty much mine. Now if you want to find hidden status, it means you must have muted the present status. Now I want to mute somebody, so this is one person. So here, press the person's name and they're going to say cancel and mute. So click on mute, and once you click on mute, you see the present status has been hidden or will be hidden. I'm gonna mute somebody else to hide this person's status. That's it. How do we find this hidden WhatsApp status? So right here, and yeah, you see muted up. These are exactly the people that we hid, or the people status that we muted. So this is how you can find hidden WhatsApp status. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.